I'm video, so you can go.
Alright. Are you done? Okay. Alright, Tyson. He was a lot of fun to work with this year. You know, it was interesting, different positions he seemed to really grasp and enjoy more than other positions. But as the season went along, I think he realized how important it was to learn all the positions. Because those positions that he really enjoyed, there was some connection to the ones he didn't. And so as he started to grasp the game, he understood it better, which again gets back to the mental side of this. And that was exciting to see with Tyson in terms of his intrigue about that. And also I liked his hustle, you know. Aside the fact that he has a gun for an arm and his glove is getting a lot better, he's really learning the game the way it needs to be learned. And I think over time his hitting really came around as well. So once we worked on his stance a little bit, he got a little better at that. So anyway, but it was a real joy working with Tyson this year.
Shake their hand. Shake their hand.